Alright, open your web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, you'll notice right away that if you click the Create button, Instagram only lets you create a regular post, not a story. To overcome this, right-click anywhere on the Instagram page. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for Inspect or Inspect Element and click it. This opens up the developer tools. Don't worry, we won't be coding. In the developer tools, look for a small icon that looks like a phone and a tablet, usually located at the top bar. Click it to enable the device toolbar. This lets you simulate a mobile device, which is key because Instagram hides the story feature on the desktop site. Right next to the device toolbar icon, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Dimensions. Click it. From the drop-down, choose any mobile device from the list like iPhone or Android. It doesn't matter which one. Click the little home icon in the Instagram window to go back to the home page. If you don't immediately see your profile picture with the Your Story plus icon, refresh the page a couple of times. Once your profile picture with the plus icon appears, click it. This will open your computer's file explorer. Select the photo or video you want to upload to your Instagram story from your computer. You'll have some basic editing options. Make any necessary adjustments. Then click Share or the Upload button to post your story. Wait a few seconds for your story to upload. It's now live on your Instagram profile, posted directly from your PC. Essentially, by using the browser's developer tools, you're tricking Instagram into thinking you're on a mobile device, which is the only way to get around the fact that Instagram.com only allows regular posts from computers. It's a quick and easy workaround. And that's how you can upload a story on Instagram from your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tricks and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.